Good day to all prospective employers in Hong Kong. My name is Farida Animos, 32 years of age, married. My husband's name is Aden Andrew Animos. We have 2 children, 1 boy and 1 girl. My father's name is Khurshid Abdul and my mother's name is Rahina Manzon. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister. I am the second in the family. I am Islam. I live in Santa Ana, Manila, Philippines. I am a college graduate. I took a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. My hobbies is cooking, cleaning, and playing with the children. I work as a domestic helper here in the Philippines for 5 years. 4 members of the family, 2 adults, 1 child, and 1 baby. My main duties as a domestic helper in my employer is to taking care of a young child and baby, giving them my full care attentions, giving them nutritious foods and feeding milk, changing their clothes and diapers, prioritize their health and safety. I know how to make them happy, like playing with them, tutoring a basic English and math, and cook their favorite snacks. I also do cooking, cleaning, washing and ironing clothes, marketing and gardening. I want to work in Hong Kong because it gives high salary and I want to earn high salary to support my family here in the Philippines. To all prospective employers, please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise I will do my duties and responsibilities and follow your rules and regulations. Thank you and God bless.